Hello and welcome to this new video on how to unblock someone on Reddit. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first you open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser there will be a source bar. Click on the source bar and type Reddit and press enter in the keyboard. After that the Reddit will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result and the Reddit interface will be opened. And when you are inside the Reddit interface, you just have to look in the top right corner. There is an avatar icon. Just click on the avatar icon, and in the bottom of that pop-up box there is a setting option. Just click on the settings, and your settings for the Reddit will be open. And in the top navigation bar of settings there is safety and privacy option. Just click on the safety and privacy, and when you look inside the safety and privacy there is a section that is called people you have blocked, and it will show for you to block new user, or if you have previously blocked some user then you can just remove. So I have blocked this user previously, and on the right hand side there is a remove option. I'll just click on the remove and that user is no longer blocked. So this is how you can unblock on Reddit. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.